congratulations and advance congratulations sa lahat ng mga graduate. And of course, best wishes and my prayers na sana after this, makakuha kayo ng magandang trabaho. And then, huwag muna mag-aasawa. Ipon muna. And of course, all the best. Sana makamtan nyo. And huwag nyo kakalimutan yung pinaka-basic. And that is character. Yan naman dapat dala nyo pa rin pag-realizing kahit saan kayo mapunta. Kasi no matter how successful you are, kung nag-iiwan yung character. Okay, so good luck na lang. And again, congratulations. All the best. At sana dumating din yung time na makabalik kayo sa alma mater mo. And just to say hello and to know na successful kayo. Masaya na kami bilang naging teachers mo. Okay, so that's it. Congratulations and good luck. God bless.
Hello little sisters and little brothers. In my message I wish you to set your goals high and not to stop till you get there. Here's hard work is not over when you graduate. It's just a break as you enter the new battlefield of life. Good luck and congratulations.
We are the Queen Teachers. Thank you from IT 1-1. Thank you family from Thank you faculty from IT 2-1. Thank you faculty from IT 2-1. Thank you faculty. Salamat. Steve, salamat din. Respect. Love you. I love you. Thank you faculty from IT 1-2. Thank you faculty. Hello. Thank you faculty ng CC.